Good morning, Bart. This is our new pet. There's Bart the barracuda, and we also have our lovely friend the bull shark. I don't know where he's at today. We'll see him a little later on when we go get some more fish. But yeah, that's our new quarantine pets. Therese, hold on. What are you wearing? What are...
I don't understand the problem.
I have a perfect song for you. Hold on.
What?
Can you do a plie? Plie and kick.
I know that you're curious, I know that you're strong, but life can be furious and things can go wrong. You go, we're better off tomorrow, but who knows if we get joy or sorrow.
Titania glides in with ease as she drops anchor off of Black Key. Two friends and a stranger, and now comes the drifter. Unsure of where to belong, we wedge ourselves in the middle of song. Sing a small verse, perhaps even a chorus. So amidst times of great closure, 6 feet, no closer, we thrived off the bountiful reef, and danced a little close to some awfully big teeth. For only a moment does the drifter look over the edge, named commitment, and see the demise of his great pride, and turns away in great stride.
In on you kind of like I
It's
think PUBG did that too, right?
nuts.
And so you had to like build as much as you could,
7.
but you're not.
She's our neighbor
A shot.
Hello again.
on the little green sailboat. Had rum and he wanted to share it with us. We are eternally grateful.
Oh, Cody,
Cheers.
focus on the
Fish in the fish.
So dear Vinyasa and wildly intrepid, thank you for letting me feel accepted.
Cheers.
Till next time we meet, I hope your times remain sweet. Love, Nortania and Elliot.
Be safe, man. Enjoy your sail. Hopefully we see each other again.
Safe travels!
The little green sailboat for Nortania and our friend Elliot sailed into Black Key. He had been alone and quarantined on his boat for weeks, and we felt it was safe to share a few moments with him and his rum before he had to go out on yet another solo journey.
Bye, little green sailboat.
We said goodbye to Elliot, and then there were 4. Again. During a quarantine or a lockdown, how can one make sure to still feel like it's all fun and games? The word fun defines as enjoyment, amusement, or lighthearted pleasure. So what makes a game? A game is an activity that one engages in for amusement or fun. So during a lockdown, how do you also make it safe and low-key? It's a tie! Tic-tac-toe has definitely never felt more fun. And as an underwater sport, the possibilities are endless. Believe me, we had bigger plans.
It's amazing what
Though time would soon become an issue.
Strenuous activity will really deplete your brain cells.
So just
We have terrible news.
Came from our team meeting with Alex and Corey.
I think are gonna have to leave the Bahamas way earlier than we kind of wanted to. We were hoping that things would change a little bit after the 5-day lockdown, but they actually got worse for cruisers. There's only a few places that you can actually stop, and it's certain marinas, and those are set up for fuel and water only. They've taken away, I guess fishing is not an option to be moving around. You have to only stay on your boat. I don't know, it kind of limits the freedoms that we did actually have here. So what we're gonna do is just make it easier and go to the States. So now we're planning our route.
They don't want any interaction between cruisers and Bahamians. The other problem we're facing is me. Because not being an American citizen or a Canadian citizen for that matter, leaving on one of these boats to cross to the States, which initially, or originally I was going to fly. So I have to figure out whether or not I can actually get into the States on this boat or on the Canadian boat. I just lost service on my phone for the past 3 days. Tried to send an email to inquire for the specific information. They didn't want to answer on email, said that was not something they could answer, and gave me a few numbers that I could call, which is not possible right now. So we're trying to move, and hopefully I'll get my service back. And you have to notify the border in the States at least 72 hours before you arrive with an alien, which means me. Just been looking at the map, try to figure out what our stops are going to be, and due to what Cody said about only having certain stops that you can legally kind of make right now, we try to follow that. So Staniel Key would be where to fill up on water.
And then make the long jump across with our buddies. And it's looking like we're probably gonna have to go into Lake Worth or West Palm Beach.
What we're thinking is to make it from here. We're in Black Key. We're trying to make it to this cut, which is just north. It's called Little Creek. It's just north of Black Point. To cut into the inside, and then from there go to Staniel. So 45 miles to get to Staniel.
The next day we'll make a jump across to the Berries, which will probably be a day and a night sail. From Fraser Hog Key, we will decide there, I guess whatever day we get there, on what we want to do, either going straight to West Palm or to wait out a northerly storm that, it's not really a storm, but it's going to be a northerly that's coming across.
So this boat is a mess. There is a lot of cleaning and organizing that has to be done before we can leave tomorrow morning. I've started already actually and putting a bread dough to rice. I'm gonna make, I think, a pasta with tomato sauce to go with us the entire way. It's not that far. Let's get to it.
That's cool.
need you to find coconut oil.
Okay. And?
First, find coconut oil.
No, I need all the ingredients. This is a mad rush.
Coconut oil, cocoa powder, sugar, brown and white, vanilla extract, granola, the good one we haven't opened, and salt. Oh, and chia seeds. And 1, 2, 3, go.
We'll start on something new. I know you want it too.
Alright, cocoa powder.
Alright, and actually, let's use a little bit of our creamer powder.
Where's the cocoa powder?
Oh. You missed. You lost a game.
No, I don't know where it's at. You hid this from me.
It's in a box like that.
Here? Oh. This is cocoa powder?
Yes. No, not that one. No, not that one. The other one.
I'm gonna pull out all of them.
No.
And then I'm gonna do
No.
like that.
I'm gonna cry.
Only the final snack was left to make: chocolate. Simple things like that became a luxury during the time we spent in Black Key, and desperation led me to try out recipes to make the absolute best one. It was so good, in fact, that in the end, Cody was the one to take initiative to make more. Stay tuned for the first leg of our sail back to the US, and if you're new here, subscribe to our channel by clicking the red button in the bottom right corner of this video, and to not miss out on upcoming videos, make sure to click the bell as well. We would love your support. See you next time.